In this video, I will show you how to use Zoom Workplace app. Open Zoom like this first. And here guys, when it will open directly on the home page where you can find many things like if you want to start meeting, join a meeting, or schedule or share something. If we click here on team chat, we can find our messages, our folders, our mentions, and our reminders and everything. Here if we click, we can find our documents, and if we click here our calendar, and if we click here on more, we can find some stuff like tasks, mails, clips, notes, contacts, events, and many things. If we back here to the home page and we click here, it's going to take us to this page. Here we can find our profile. We can find our profile, our personal information. If we click on the settings, we can find the settings. And that's all guys. As you can see, the application of Zoom, it's very useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.